Bitcoin has a strong resistance over 100,000. What is next for Bitcoin? Should we buy more right now? Today, I will give you the exact insights from the chart and also to tell you the strategy when actually we can buy Bitcoin more. Okay, welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you learn more, make more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Now we're looking at the Bitcoin chart. Basically, we have a support here, which is around 91,800, okay? And every time we touch this support, it come up, right? We have some buying here. You can see the wick here. So what is going on? If you use my indicator, it would be much easier without those support resistance. You have the direct strategy. So now I'm going to show you what is going on with the trend. Basically, this blue line is our trend line, okay? It's our main trend line. So this is a special indicator to tell you right away this is an upward trend or this is a downward trend. When it's going downward, this is a downward trend. And it's very different from moving average because it's much faster. You can see when they change the direction from upward to downward, basically it's one strong signal to tell you, hey, this is a downward trend right now. You're not supposed to buy any moment here. Okay. So if you use my indicator, basically you know my strategy, which is we have three things to look at my indicator. One is the trend. The second is the fund movement. And the third is the buy sell point. Okay, so basically we have the sell point here, and here is a we confirm sell point. Okay, so basically right now, if you use a blue light as an indicator, basically you shouldn't hold any coin and you're selling here and here. Okay, so if you use purple line, which is a super long trend line, basically selling here and you are buying here. Okay, you can still make a lot of profit. So what's going on is the super long line is still going upward, but it's getting very weak because it's going under the purple line. Okay, so I told you many times Bitcoin I will use the blue line. For the altcoin I can use the fast line, which is the red line. The red is much faster. Okay, so what happened is even the red is turning downward. What does it mean? So this means this is a correction. We are still in the downward trend in short term and middle term. So basically, we don't have any buy point right now. We don't have any buy point. We have sell point here, basically. Sell point here for short-term investor. So one thing, let's look at the fund movement because fund movement is the only one factor to pull up the price and to tell you what is going on with Bitcoin. People leaving or people are buying, okay? So one thing, YM Big Buy, you can see, basically on this day, you can see here, they go under zero, right? They're getting so weak. YM cheapest, same thing. Since this day, since they dropped below this blue, they touched the blue, but they couldn't go above it, right? So that's why I didn't give you any update because I don't want to give you information, hey, you buy. No, because the fund movement is still weak, right? So it's still going downward. So I did not give you any update here because it's there's no buy signal here, basically. You see, since that day, we even changed the trend line. Remember, the direction of the stock or of the coin is always the fund movement, especially the big fund movement, okay? That's why I only track, I'm not tracking the total volume. I'm tracking only the super big fund, okay? Super big volume. Number one, the fund movement is going down. It's not good. It's weak, okay? Second, the trend is going downward. But one good thing is we have YM chip entry. We have two green bar here. Basically, yesterday and today, we have two green bar. What does it mean? It means institution. We have new buying. We have new buying from institution. Every time it happens, it means this is a relative flow point. And this is the main factor to make the coins to go above the blue and change the trend line. Not every single time because this green, it doesn't mean this is a relative this means this is a relative low point, but this doesn't mean this is strong enough to change the whole thing. So sometimes you see here after the green, they flash another green, they go up, but not strong enough. The fund is not enough to change the whole trend. They come in another fund movement to change the whole trend. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, even they have more before. And now we flash the first one. This two little green bar. Okay, so far we don't have any buy signal, but we tell you we have institution coming in. Should we follow them to buy right now? No, because we have limited resources. Unless you are billionaire, you can separate your buying, okay? But you are not doing the when they flash the green, if we buy right now, they could drop more. Okay, they can last for 1 month. Then you what? Then you buy every day for 1 month, unless you are super, super, super rich. Otherwise, I don't recommend. I recommend you to have a strong signal to confirm the fund is getting strong. We buy right before the bull one like this. We buy right here. Okay, is it good if we buy here? Or you want to buy here and you keep buying here and you keep buying here and you keep buying here. I don't know how many lots you can buy, but normal individual, I don't recommend you use this method because this method can last for few years. The worst scenario can last for 2 or 3 years. Okay, in some bear market, basically some stock can last for a long time for the buying. Okay, for example, here you see a downward trend here, right? They flash the green here. They flash the green here. They flash the green here. Okay, let me make it bigger. You see here, the whole downward trend, we are inside the downward channel. What happened is we flash the green here, we flash the green here, we flash here, we flash here, we flash here, we flash here. Basically, the whole period is 2024 to 2024, but this is from April to September. So it's, which is quite a long period, okay? So I don't recommend individual to do that. I recommend you the whole trend, change it, and we confirm we have fund movement come in, and we confirm we have a strong funding get in, which is here. You see here, this is still downward, right? We don't buy. We can add our and they never go above the green, the blue. Okay, they did go above here, so you can buy, but you will sell basically here. So basically, it's even. Okay, so basically, remember when we have indicator, it's not 100% accurate. No one can do that. No one can do that. But this indicator can increase your successful rate. Okay, and to tell you what is going on with the trend, what is going on with the fund movement. Okay, rather than guessing or some of you would draw the support resistance. Yes, but many people, over millions people, thousand millions people know how to draw those stuff. So you need to be better than other people in order to make money from the trading. Okay, because when you win money from the trading, it means someone lost the money. It's one buy, one sell, right? So remember that. So you need to be better. So the main factor, many people cannot tell which is the fund movement. So you need something more advanced to tell you, hey, the fund come in, the fund going out, in order to tell you yes or no. Okay. Otherwise, you are buying and selling without knowing any information. Okay. So I want you to understand this. So let's say you don't have my indicator. You can click the link in the description. You can subscribe it to try it. And now we are above this support. Remember, if this one broke down, we will in the troubles because the support is quite far away after that. Okay, so far we don't have any buy signal. So this is the update for the Bitcoin. And the next thing I want to chat with you is the ETH. ETH is very similar, right? So the blue downward, the red downward. We don't have any buy signal here. We don't have any buy signal here. If we look at here, same thing, we don't have buy signal here. One thing, do we have YM chip entry for ETH? Do we have it? We have it here. We have it here, but we don't have any buying signal here. We don't have any signal to tell you institution is buying this ETH. Okay. Another thing, let's check the Doge. Doge previously, if you follow my channel, you're making about 270% profit minimum. So basically what happened is, now look at the trend first. Do we have any good news yet? No, because it's downward, okay? And the fund movement is not yet strong. We do have some indicator to show you we have institution buying around here. So it means this is a relative low point. But first thing we need to do, same with Bitcoin, this price, this candle need to fresh above the blue first, above the blue, and then we have a buy opportunity. Otherwise, we don't even recommend this. And also the fund movement have to go above this line, like the average, okay, to show some strength of the coins, okay. So far, is it really that bad? It's not really that bad because we still have a lot of red candle, okay, and that is not like when it's the bear market, we have a lot of, you see, when it's going downward, they drop to very low level of the red. But now we still have a lot, so we have a very good chance they come back up. And I really I think Doge have very good opportunity later, but we need the signal first. We need the signal first. So back to the Bitcoin, let me repeat the signal. The Bitcoin, the signal, first thing, you need to get above the blue line first, the blue line. Why not only the red line? The red line is for very short term. You need to trade very fast. Okay. So if you follow my channel, you know I prefer you, especially I launched the information. I prefer to launch something more stable rather than you hold the stock for 5 days, you sell it. I don't like this kind of strategy, especially for crypto. For stock is okay, but for crypto, I don't recommend because the commission of the platform is quite a lot. So I don't want you to make a short profit. I want you to make a long profit. I want you to make a long profit. Okay. So this is the strategy for, because the first thing you need to go above the blue. Now it's still quite far away and we don't have any signal to tell you we have a strong enough the funding to pull up the price yet, although we have the new fund coming in. Okay, so this is the update today. I hope you guys like this video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. I see you next video. Bye.